Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide replies on Twitter using your PC. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to discreetly manage replies to your posts. To start, navigate to a reply on one of your posts. Look for the More icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click or tap on this icon to reveal additional options. Among the options displayed, you will find Hide Reply. Select this option and confirm your decision to hide the reply from your post. If you ever wish to revisit your hidden replies, simply click or tap on the hidden reply icon. This icon can typically be found in the bottom right corner of your original post. By following these steps, you can effectively control the visibility of replies to your tweets, ensuring a cleaner and more tailored experience for both you and your followers. Hiding replies on Twitter is a useful feature for managing discussions and maintaining a positive online environment. Whether you're moderating your feed or addressing specific comments, this tool empowers you to curate your Twitter interactions with ease. That wraps up our guide on hiding replies on Twitter using your PC. Implement these steps to take charge of your Twitter conversations and shape your online presence. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.